Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 59. This is a SolidWorks 2020 tutorial is designed for beginners. In this SolidWorks tutorial, I will teach you part modeling, and later on we will learn SolidWorks surfacing, assembly, and drawing. Hope you will stay connected with us for getting all those interesting tutorials. In this video you will learn the use of various SolidWorks tools like, slot command, smart dimension, extrude boss command, circle command, move/copy body command, and combine command. We will use only one sketch and one extrude command for completing the SolidWorks tutorial. First, we gonna sketch on the top plane, and then extrude. Then we will do revolve that body, and finally combine for completing today's SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial. Hope you will stay with us throughout the tutorial and become a SolidWorks 2020 Pro designer.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Right-click on the top plane and select Sketch. Take straight slot command.
Press OK.
Control select origin and the midpoint and choose coincident.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 90 mm. Distance is 50 mm. Now we will draw the circle.
Now take circle command. Press OK.
Select these circles and make them equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 25 mm.
The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Choose midplane. Depth is 10 mm.
Press OK.
Now I will copy and rotate this body. Go to Insert, Features, and then Move or Copy command. Select the body to move copy. Number of copies is 1. Make the degree of rotation 90 in Z-axis. Select Copy.
Press OK.
You can see two individual bodies are generated. We will combine them. Go to Insert, Features and then select Combine command. Operation type select Add. Select bodies to combine.
Press OK.
Now it's a single body. Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. This is the part which we were trying to build. Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.